Hi, this is Ms. Todoric, and today you're going to learn how to multiply two cells in Microsoft Excel. So we have a muffin sales spreadsheet in front of us. You're going to click inside cell E2. You're going to type equals. So you want the total sales of chocolate muffins. So each chocolate muffin is $6.24, and we want to multiply that by 8, or 8 times $6.24. So the total, you're going to put equals to start every formula in Microsoft Excel, always equals. So quantity, so you can type cell C2, or you could just click on the cell, and then you're going to type shift, and then above the 8 is the multiplication symbol, so that's what it looks like. And then click on cell D2, or you can type D2. And then you're going to hit enter on the keyboard. So 8 times 624 is 49.92. Now you're not going to do this 100 times going down. You're just going to copy this formula. So the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see where the cursor, you're going to see it turn into a solid plus. You're going to click on it, drag it all the way down, and then let go. Now, if you do get some hashtags, all it means is that the column width needs to be extended. For example, if you have a very, right there you go. See? Then you just have to either double click to auto fit by contents, or you can click and drag it to your specific width. Perfect. And then over here, you're just going, this is the total of all the muffin sales. So you want to go equals, and that's a sum. And then you just want to check, or you can highlight the cells you want added right there. And then you're going to click OK. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Bye.